Alright, picture this. You wake up one morning, the sun's shining, you never have to set an alarm again. That's the dream, right? Retirement doesn't just magically happen. It takes a little planning, it takes a little discipline, and yes, a lot of coffee-fueled research. Let's break down a clear roadmap to retiring comfortably, even if you're starting late. Social Security isn't a golden ticket, it's a boost. It covers about 40% of the average retiree's income. The rest is on you. Step 1. If your job offers a 401k, grab it. Employer matching, that's free money. Self-employed or no 401k, open a Roth IRA. It's never too late to start. Compound interest is like magic. It works harder the longer you give it. Think of it like planting a tree. The second best time is right now. Aim to replace about 80% of pre-retirement income. Break it into chunks. Bump your savings rate 1% this year. Next year, do it again. Invest. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't panic when the market gets rocky. Retirement's a marathon, not a sprint. Revisit your plan every year. Life changes, markets change, goals change. Adjust and ask for help when needed. Takeaway. Start with what you have. Use workplace plans. Open that Roth IRA. Invest a little more each year. Check in regularly. Every step now gets you closer to living life on your terms. That's your roadmap. Time to get to work. Your future self is counting on you.